Hi, good day, M6376. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to you, Madam Sir. My name is Jennifer A. Mamaril, Filipino. I am 30 years old. I am happily married with Jason as a tricycle driver. I have two loving children, ages 9 years old and 12 years old.
Your religion,
My religion is Roman Catholic.
your highest educational attainment.
I graduated high school. I have four brothers and four sisters, and I am the eldest in the family.
Okay, you have also basic computer in TESDA, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
As a domestic helper here in Philippines, my main duties and responsibilities are taking care of a child and an elderly, cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, washing, gardening, car washing, and also cooking.
Okay, and you have also experience in San Carlos, Pangasinan here in the Philippines also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience there.
Um, in San Carlos, sir, I have one couple, employer, and
Okay, and the children, ages,
the children's ages 3 years old and 8 years old months, baby.
8 months old baby, and all that household chores you are the one who do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like cooking, tutoring, taking care of pets, right?
Yes,
What kind of pets do you take care?
dogs po.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby which is 8 months old, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I know the basic Cantonese foods are dishes like steamed fish and steamed pork.
So you know how to prepare.
Yes, sir.
How did you know to prepare Chinese food?
By watching on YouTube, sir.
Okay, so you tried to prepare
Yes,
Chinese
sir.
food. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Hong Kong is the safest place in domestic helper, and Hong Kong is have a high salary, sir.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to finish my 2 years contract, and as long as my employers want me to
So,
stay.
message for your future employer.
To my future employer, please hire me as your domestic helper. I promise you to taking care of your children as my own and taking care of your family. I am trustworthy, kind, loving, caring, and trustworthy. I'm very hardworking, and I also uh, know and want to learn more a lot of things.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Jennifer. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay.